The Ant and the Grasshopper. In a field one summer's day, a poor, hungry grasshopper found a lovely spot and began singing and chirping with joy. He spent the day in leisure, enjoying the warmth of the sun and the company of the breeze. Meanwhile, an industrious ant was busy collecting grains of wheat and storing them in his house for the winter. The grasshopper noticed the ant working hard and called out to him, "Why don't you come and join me? There's plenty of food here, and the sun is shining. Why work so hard?" The ant replied, "I am preparing for the winter. I am gathering food for the cold months ahead. You should be doing the same." The grasshopper laughed and said, "Winter is far away. Let's enjoy life while we can. There's no need to worry." But the ant persisted. "I urge you to plan ahead. If you don't work now, you'll have nothing to eat when winter comes." The grasshopper ignored the advice and continued to sing and enjoy the sunshine. As the days passed, he grew weaker from hunger. Finally, winter arrived. The cold winds blew and the snow began to fall. The grasshopper found himself without food or shelter, and he went to the ant's house, hoping for help. The ant, who had stored enough food for the winter, looked at him coldly and said, "You sang all summer and you must dance in the winter. I work hard for what I have, and you did not. You should have prepared as I did." So the moral lesson of the story is, those who prepare in good times will not suffer in bad times.